Introductory terms and concepts. First, binaries. So this term refers to the files that can be executed, similar to the executables in Windows. So binary generally resides in the user bin or user s bin directory and includes utilities such as ps command, cat, ls, and cd. We will touch on all of the four of these in this chapter or in this section, as well as applications such as the wireless hacking tools Aircrack NG and the intrusion detection system IDS Snort. Case sensitivity. Unlike Windows, Linux is case sensitive. This means that desktop, as you can see, D is capital, is different from desktop. D is small, which is different from desktop. Each of these would represent a different file or directory name. Many people coming from Windows environment can find this frustrating. If you get the error message, file or directory not found, and you are sure the file or directory exists, you probably need to check your case. Directory. This is the same as folder in Windows. A directory provides a way organizing files, usually in hierarchy manners. Home. Each user has its own /home directory, and this is generally where files you create will be saved by default. Kali. Kali Linux is a distribution of Linux specifically designed for penetration testing. It has hundreds of tools pre-installed, saving you the hours it would take to download and install them yourself. I will be using the latest version of Kali. Root. Like nearly every operating system, Linux has an administrator or super user account designed for use by a trusted person who can do nearly anything on the system. This would include such things as reconfiguring the system, adding users, and changing passwords. In Linux, that account is called root. As a hacker or pen tester, you will often use the root account to give yourself control over the system. In fact, many hacker tools require that you use the root account. Script. This is a series of commands run in an interpretive environment that converts each line to source code. Many hacking tools are simply scripts. So scripts can be run with Bash interpreter or any of the other scripting languages interpreters such as Python, Perl, Ruby. Python is currently the most popular interpreter among hackers. Shell. This is environment and interpreter for running commands in Linux. The most widely used shell is Bash, which stands for Born Again Shell, but other popular shells include C Shell and Z Shell. I will be using Bash Shell exclusively in this course. Terminal. This is command line interface or CLI. Thanks for watching.